Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how to edit an invoice template in Zoho Books. So, let's get started. First, log into your Zoho Books account and navigate to the Settings icon in the bottom left corner. Under Templates, select Invoice Templates. Here, you'll see a list of all available invoice templates. Choose the template you want to edit and click Edit. You can customize various elements like your company logo, colors, fonts, header and footer details, payment terms, and custom fields. Zoho Books also allows you to rearrange sections or add notes and terms specific to your business. After making the necessary changes, click Save to apply the updated template. Now, every new invoice you create will use your customized design, and that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.